Question 21. Consecutive members of alkyne homologous series differ by A. Cn H2n plus 1, B. CH, C. CH2, D. Cn H2n minus 2. The correct answer is C. CH2. Explanation. Alkynes, they are just like alkanes or alkenes. They belong to a homologous series. Each new member just adds one CH2 group. So for example, ethyne, which is C2H2, propyne, which is C3H4. The difference between ethyne and propyne is C3H4 minus C2H2 will be CH2. That is why each new member gets bigger by a CH2 group. 22. The compound with octane number of 0 is A. N-heptane, B. 3-methyl-octane, C. 2-methyl-octane, D. Iso-octane. The correct answer is A. N-heptane. Explanation. Octane number tells us how resistant a fuel is to knocking in engines. So on the scale, you have iso-octane, which is super smooth. Iso-octane rating is 100, and N-heptane, it knocks easily, so the rating for N-heptane is 0. So when you see 0, think of N-heptane. 23. If 10 grams of a radioactive element P decays to 0.625 grams in 4.5 10 to the power 2 years, what is the half-life of P? A. 2.25 times 10 to the power 2 years. B. 4.5 times 10 to the power 2 years. C. 1.125 times 10 to the power 2 years. D. 0.5625 times 10 to the power 2 years. The correct answer is C. 1.125 times 10 to the power 2 years. Explanation. So we have the starting mass to be 10 grams. So half-life is the total time divided by number of halves. So do this like a countdown, okay? The countdown from 10 grams, the first half-life of 10 grams you divide by 2 will give you 5 grams. 5 grams, the second half-life will be 2.5 grams. 2.5 grams, the third half-life gives you 1.25 grams. And then the fourth half-life gives you 1.25 divided by 2 is 0.625 grams. So it took 4 half-lives for the 10 gram sample to decay to 0.625 grams in the question. Okay, now take the 450 years. 4.5 times 10 to the power 2 years is the same as 450 years and divided by 4. So 4.5 times 10 to the power 2 years divided by 4, which is the same as 450 years divided by 4, you get 112.5 years. Okay, or which is the same as 1.125 times 10 power 2 years. Question 24. The factors that enhances the polarizability of an anion are: A. High charge and large size. B. High charge and small size. C. Low ionization energy. D. Small charge and large size. The correct answer is A. High charge and large size. Explanation. Polarizability means how easily an ion's electron can be squished or pulled by another atom. So bigger clouds, aka larger ions, and higher charges mean more distortion. Think of it like a big pillow. If you have a big pillow, pillows are easier to squeeze than a rock or a stone. 25. The equilibrium constant Kc for the reaction 2A plus B2 going into 2AB can be expressed as A. Kc equals the concentration of A times the concentration of B2 divided by concentrations of AB. B. Kc equals concentration of A squared times concentration of B2 divided by concentration of AB squared. C. Kc equals concentration of AB squared divided by concentration of B2. D. Kc equals concentration of AB squared divided by concentration of B2 times concentration of A squared. The correct answer is D. Concentration of AB squared divided by concentration of A squared times concentration of B2. Explanation. So this one is just plug and play, okay? The Kc expression is built straight from the balance equation. We take the concentration of each species and raise it to the power of its coefficient. So for the equation 2A plus B2 going into 2AB, you have Kc to be equal to concentration of AB raised to its coefficient 2 divided by concentration of A squared times concentration of B2.